This is Tim here from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to record calls on your Android phone. So you can see I have automatic calls just turned on right here under my settings, and anytime I get a call it's going to notify me that it's recording, and the calls will be placed in here automatically. And I believe after like 30 days they'll be deleted unless you have an option turned on that's different. Now on my Samsung phone I don't see an option where it's just 30 days. But we can change the storage location to, well, here it is, delete recordings older than 1 month. So we can just tap that and delete them. But to turn this on, you can see all we have to do is go to the phone option, go to the keypad, go to the three little dots, go to settings. Then the first option for me is record calls. Just make sure we have it turned on, auto record calls, and then we can come back to here and go to recorded calls after your phone call. You can see it's in your internal storage recording, and it'll be right here, and you can listen to them. So it's very easy to see. If you have a lot of phone calls, just go back there and delete your recordings older than 1 month. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.